Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu P1S fail to feed filament into toolhead, filament not loading. Fix 1. Check the filament path. Make sure the filament is not tangled on the spool and verify the PTFE tubes are fully inserted and not bent or damaged. Confirm the filament can move smoothly from the AMS to the toolhead. Fix 2. Inspect the extruder. Open the extruder assembly and check whether broken filament or debris is blocking the extruder gears. Now remove any jammed filament and clean the drive gears before reassembling. Fix 3. Check for a clogged nozzle. Heat the nozzle to the appropriate printing temperature and try manually extruding filament. If the filament cannot pass through, clean the nozzle or remove the clog before loading filament again. Fix 4. Inspect the AMS if installed. Check the AMS first stage feeder and internal hub for broken filament. Now verify all PTFE tubes are properly connected. Then remove any filament fragments that may be preventing normal feeding. Fix 5. Retry loading the filament. Reload the filament from the printer menu after clearing any obstruction. Then ensure the filament reaches the extruder and begins extruding from the nozzle. Fix 6. Contact Bamboo Lab support. If the issue persists after completing all the troubleshooting steps, contact Bamboo Lab support using the official support channels. Go to the official Bamboo Lab support center, then sign in with your Bamboo Lab account. Now select support ticket for technical issue or use live chat for general questions. It is available for 24 into 7. Now provide your printer model P1S, serial number, firmware version, and a detailed description of the problem. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.